So right now you can hear my dog, it's really wonderful, but I'm gonna have you guys just ignore that. Today I'm doing a makeup routine sort of video showing you the look that I currently have on. It's very glowy, very dewy, and it's literally a 5-minute makeup look. It's the easiest thing ever, and it's just using mainly one product. So Oop, which is a really cool brand. They do a lot of like multi-use type of products that are super convenient, sent me some products to try out, and this is their Stack the Odds Sun-Kissed palette. So I started playing around with this. It comes with a bronzer, blush, and highlight, and discovered that I could really do an entire face with just this palette. It's super easy, very dewy and natural and pretty. So I show you guys how to do that in this video, and I really hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments down below, and let's jump into the video. So to start off, I've already done my skincare routine, and I will link that video below so you can check that out if you're interested in seeing how I normally prep my skin, both morning and night. But then I'm going to go in with some sunscreen, which is vital even when it's a little bit darker and colder like it is nowadays. This is the Everyday Humans Resting Beach Face Sunscreen Serum, SPF 30. It's one of my favorites just because it gives me such a nice moisturized, dewy base. So I'm gonna take about a dime-sized amount and apply that to my entire face. So normally I'd then do my eyebrows, but I've actually been dyeing them recently, so no need to fill them in or anything right now, but normally I would just fill them in with some brow gel or something similar. I'm then going to just cover up a couple of blemishes with a concealer. You can use whatever you like. This is an e.l.f. concealer. It's the Hydrating Camo Concealer. And I'm just gonna cover up this one and just a little bit of redness right here so that it's a little bit more of an even base for the face product. So I'm just using my finger. I'm literally using my finger for this entire tutorial. I'm very lazy nowadays when it comes to doing a bunch of makeup and things, but when I like to look presentable for meetings, virtual meetings, or for going somewhere, even when I'm wearing a mask, this is my go-to routine. Okay, so that's my face prepped. I don't like to cover all my blemishes or wear really thick foundation. One, there's no point nowadays because I'm always wearing a mask, but also I've never really liked that thick foundation look, so I just prefer to cover up a few blemishes here and there, keep it natural looking. So for the product I'm going to be using all over my face, and is basically the star of the show, this is the Oop multi-use face stacker called Stack the Odds in the color Sun-Kissed. So you get 3 cream products. You get this beautiful corally type blush. You can see I've already used these. You get a nice bronzer, and what I really love about this bronzer, and you'll see it when I use it, it's very cool toned, which I think is rare, especially in a cream bronzer, so really happy about that. And then you get a nice highlighter, which is a little more golden toned. They're so pretty and such a nice consistency, so I'm really excited to show you guys how I use these all over my face. So I'm gonna start with the bronzer, and I'm just gonna take that on my middle finger, and I like to first dot it into place and then just start blending. It's literally the easiest thing to blend out, and I'm just blending where I would normally contour. Okay, so that's nice and blended, and then I'm gonna take just a little bit more and put some on the sides of my forehead, and that's it for the face contour area. And then I'm going to use the blush shade on my cheeks. I'm a blush addict, so I like a lot of blush, but to each their own. I personally love looking very flushed. It's my favorite thing about blush. I think it adds so much life to your face, so it's just my favorite makeup product. And then I'm gonna add a little bit to my nose. I'm telling you, I love blush. If you're not a fan, don't add this much, but I love blush. Okay, now that we're looking flushed, we're looking contoured, I'm going to take the highlighter, and that's gonna go where you would normally put highlight, so on top of my cheekbones. This one's really nice to just press in. It gives such a nice glow. On the tip of my nose. And you can see that with the sunlight on my Cupid's bow. And then I'm going to start in on the eyes. That's literally it for the face. If you only want to do a face look, that's it right there. Literally takes like 2 minutes. I'm going to take some of the highlighter and put it all over my lid and into my inner corner. And then I'm going to go back in with the contour shade, and this is what I really like about this palette, is it's an entire look in one palette. I'm going to take that on the outer corner of my eye and just blend it. This gives such a pretty dewy eye look. And because it's so pigmented, it really looks like eyeshadow. I'm actually going to go in before I completely get rid of the palette and take some of the blush on my lips. Giving myself a nice peach base. My lips are pretty pale, so it's always nice to do that. And then for my eyes, I'm going to finish off with a little bit of mascara. Right now, I'm cycling through a bunch of mascaras, but I'm using the Glossier Lash Slick for this look. And then to really finish off the entire look, I'm going to take some balm. I'm just taking a tinted balm to add a little bit more color to my lips, but you can use whatever kind of lip product you like. This is the Glossier Wild Fig Balm.com and has a nice like coral tint. So I'm going to use that to finish off my lips. And sorry that you can hear the ambiance of my dog barking. That is literally it for this entire look. It's super simple, but it's very glowy and dewy, and I think it's a nice way to add a little bit of something to your face and to your skin without adding too much, especially because nowadays we're not going a lot of places, and when we are, we're covering half of our face. So this is just a little bit of something that's super quick, super easy to do, and really only requires one product. The rest you probably already have in your collection. So I'm going to link this product down below. I'm going to link my discount code as well, so if you want a discount, but they're also having a Black Friday sale right now, so you can actually buy this with their Black Friday discount. So highly recommend it. Comes in multiple different shades if you have a different skin tone than I do, but this is the shade that works for me. And yeah, really love this. Really love this look. It's the easiest thing ever. Highly recommend. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are interested in learning more, like I said, I'll link below the product, but also check out my Instagram and my TikTok, which will be linked below. And I will see you guys later.